Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're finishing up our beautiful big pumpkin face that we did via some of our live streams on Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern. If you want to check us out and partake in some of that, we always try to use and share free patterns. And yeah, this turned out to be amazing, and the fans got to design the eyes, nose, and mouth of their choice, we had 3 choices to choose from, and that's how the pumpkin turned out on Saturday's live stream. So we're wanting to get it ready for this Halloween. So we're super excited to get it all hanging and beautiful. So I've done some a feather leaf in the gray section, which we kind of chatted about on the stream. And now I'm going to just do some curved lines as they naturally occur in a big pumpkin like that, right? So here, let's just go start quilting. And what I've done, I've already clicked the boundaries of this whole pumpkin that I can see here right now, including the mouth, the nose, and the eye. Mostly this one. This one still needs to be rolled too, but that's okay. And it's just going to make a nice little curve. And it's going to stop because I don't want going through the mouth, and I don't want it going through the eyes. And I chose a nice military gold thread. Oh, sounds like our bobbin's getting low. I just want to make sure it's going nice and flat. And it's just going to stop right up there. Okay. And I loaded the pumpkin on the side so you could really be able to see. So let me just check the bobbin real quick here. See if we have enough to do this project. Oh yeah, we'll be okay. I'm pretty sure we'll be okay. And I just chose the same for the gray for the back. Okay, pop that back over there. Okay, and again, going to continue, and it's going to pop over here somewhere. Yep. And it's just going to do nice big curve and come right to the other side of that mouth. That's the way I clicked it. So here's hoping it goes. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. And that's giving those dimensions, the curvatures that you see on the pumpkin itself as it's growing and forming. So this will help define this project as it hangs on the wall, make it look like a really big pumpkin. So, and we loved this quilt project. Pop, Munchkin, and I just absolutely adored it. And we love the face that the fans have created, and it will always hang in the quilt shop. So I'm just very excited to have it. Very excited to have it. And we busted our scraps like we've never busted our scraps before, putting all sorts of weird pieces together for squares. See, now I'm not going to cut the threads because it's easier if I just have that lock and then pop over to the other section. Other than that, I'm going to end up with a really long tail like this for chop off. So I don't want that. So I'm just going to hit the next button, and it's going to go to there, and it's going to do its back stitch, locking it in. So when I clip this, it's not a big issue. Alright. Now you could put them more, you could put them closer together, you could do it so when it echoed, you would almost do a quarter of an inch from that one as well. That would give it a lot of dimension as well if you wanted to do like a double stitch, a quarter inch apart. That would be pretty. Okay, I think this one was, yeah, this one was more of a curve. I was trying to get it right. I think this might be a little high, but I don't think it's going to really matter too much. So, oops. Oops, looks like I went from the other way to the other way. What, whoa. Yes, that's right. I forgot I tweaked that line. So it would be last. Oops. Okay, here, let's snip that. And that, get that out of the way. Okay, this one should be more straight. I had a couple more straight lines coming up in the center of the face. Okay, It does say it's going to go there next, which is good. And of course you can really see the beautiful orange thread I chose to sew this whole project together, doing the applique of it down. And I think it really, really complements it. Okay, this one is next. Okay, we can speed that up a smidge. There we go. You can see all the beautiful colors that came into this project. I really got into my yellows and oranges. I didn't have a really big collection to begin with. I have been given some to add to my collection, which I'm very thankful for. Because you don't realize sometimes, there's a color maybe you're lacking more than another in your stash, especially when you go to make a big project like this. Where you want lots of oranges, but maybe you don't have enough oranges, so you got to go pick some yellows and some tans and some golds and some browns and try and get it to complement it all, right? So. Love that fabric. Pop picked that out, and it's in our Halloween quilt from 2019. You can always go and check out that video. It's good fun. I think I'll just come up a little closer and lock those stitches. And I wasn't sure. Oh, it is going to go up here next. Okay. For some reason I thought it was going to go up. And this was a huge blast to put together with everybody and to see everybody else's creations that they were making as well. It was a lovely free pattern. You can, hopefully we'll get the link for you into the Show More section if you wanted to make a big face pumpkin like this. I used a 7-inch pot lid for the eye shape, and then we used a lemonade lid for the curvature to come out of the eye, and then the rest was just hand drawn. And then my beautiful lovely shades of mini green stem. All right, now it should go over here. Finish that up. So that's how I'm quilting out the face, and then you can see with the feathery leaf there, that's how it's, I'm finishing up the gray sides of it. So, okay. Wonderful. We want to wish everyone a very happy, safe, and healthy Halloween, and hopefully we'll just enjoy yourself and you have a great night, and just enjoy life. Okay, we'll see you very soon. Big hugs to you, and enjoy the day. Okay, take care.